Hey gorgeous, welcome to Anita's Favorites. To all of my subscribers and those of you who watch my videos, thank you so much for joining me. You're always welcome over here at Anita's Favorites. So today I want to do a little bit of a Dooney chat about these Dooney and Bourke bags, and I'm going to share a collection, one of my favorite collections, okay, from Dooney and Bourke. All right, well, let's start with this cutie. Y'all, look at this. This is simply called the Dooney and Bourke Hobo. Now, this one is in Greta, coated cotton, in the color red. This is not a new bag. They come in two sizes. There's actually a small as well, but this is the regular size. I love it. I love this bag. This is really a perfect size hobo. And I think that if a person is getting started to collect Dooney and Bourke, this would be a suggestion that I would start here. Start with this bag, okay? It's not too big, it's not too small, and it already comes in several of the Dooney and Bourke leathers. Pebble grain, I've even seen it in Florentine, okay? And different novelties, sports teams, and all of that. So the only con I have about this bag is I don't really care that the zipper is in the front. I wish it would have been on the back, but I'm dealing with it, okay? I'm dealing with it. And I decked her in this cute little, the Dooney duck charm, the fat duck that is a favorite of many collectors. Got this thick strap, and she actually holds a decent amount. Of course, I got the matching deluxe mo wallet. So yeah, I've actually added a couple more of these to my collection, so stay tuned for an updated collection video on this hobo. All right, feet on the bottom, excellent, excellent bag. And it's red. It's Valentine's Day is tomorrow. Does Auntie still celebrate Valentine's Day? Okay, well, Auntie's in love under new management. The Mickey Howard version or the Kurt Carr version. Either one, baby, check it out. No, display. All right, so I had been talking about purging my Dooney handbags. I started last year. I did pretty good. And you know what? I'm still doing it. So on this past week, I was able to actually get rid of 20 Dooneys. So listen, say what you want, whatever. I came to this decision because it just became too much for me with, you know, I just started feeling like it was just getting too ridiculous to have all these bags and then you in your home and then in a storage, and you have to literally drive to a storage and go through a storage to pull bags out. Auntie's cutting that nonsense, okay? Cut the nonsense, and I'm talking about me. But anyway, so I want to share my favorite collection of totes, which is the Russel. Mr. Russel is my favorite tote, one of my favorites. Look, I like the Maxine as well, but here it is in the small. Now, it has small sizes and it has medium and it has large. But in the novelties, which I consider this a novelty because this is the monogram, the large monogram print in the color red. And it's got these cute DB charms on it. I love this bag. I love it. And I love getting it in the small size in any of these type of prints or novelties, okay? I have the matching large zip around wallet, okay? So this is my first small Russel that I wanted to share. And then the second one is my Denizen in the color teal, deep teal, I believe. Oh, I love this bag, y'all. If you are a tote girl, you gotta get a Russel, okay? So I keep it stuffed, so it ain't pretty to look at on the inside. And I ain't taking all this stuffing out, but y'all, it's got standard Dooney, it's got zip, okay? And it's got slip pockets. It's a really good size. Back zips are on the Russels. And it's just a great tote. What can I say? Favorite. Okay. So those are the only two small Russels that I have in my collection. Now in the Florentine leather, my favorite is the medium. Okay. And I have, here she is in the color Bordeaux. Okay. I keep these bags stuffed, so sorry about the tissue paper, but y'all can see that. This bag is currently on I Love Dooney on clearance run. The price is so good. Look at all of this Florentine leather that you get. All of this. Okay? Such a good price right now. I love it. I travel with it. It's a work bag. It's a just running around bag. It's whatever I want it to be, just because it's really a good tote. And again, all of this gorgeous Florentine leather. I love this bag. Okay. So if you were curious about this Florentine leather Russel bag, the strap drop is not the best. Okay, the handles drop is not the best to go over your shoulder. But guess what? I don't care. I don't care. Because I love it so much. I don't care. It does what it needs to do. You can still get it over your shoulder with a little work. Feet on the bottom. And it's just amazing. It's the simplicity. Does what it needs to do. But this leather is the star. So here it is again in Bordeaux. And I have a short on my channel of how I styled it. Check it out. All right. And then the next one I have is in the color Natural. Now, what I forgot to say, for my Bordeaux, I don't have the Continental clutch. I love the Continental clutch while it's my favorite. I do have the large frame coin purse, but I am on the hunt for a Bordeaux Continental clutch. If y'all see one, let me know. I think it came back and I missed it. Okay. I was bummed about that. I think it appeared on I Love Dooney for a hot second. Maybe the latter part of 2024, but I missed it. But anyway, here it is in Natural. All you natural Florentine leather ones, lovers. Oh, she's fantastic. Oh, this bag is so good. And I have not even carried her yet because I've been in that Russel in Bordeaux or my little small ones just wearing them out. Okay. But she's beautiful. So this one is still on the site. I believe most of the colors that I'm going to show you are still on the site as of making this video. Okay. And here's the beautiful Continental clutch in the color Natural. Okay. See why I love this. Okay. The leather is so good on this. Beautiful. I love matchy. I love sets. And normally what I'll have is the Continental clutch and the large frame coin purse. Okay. Natural. All right. Run to I Love Dooney. Always check I Love Dooney before you go to Dooney.com because the price on I Love Dooney is normally going to be better. And normally they'll give you a code. And if you stick it in your cart, you'll get an email saying, here's $20 off. So always check for I Love Dooney first. All right. And here's in navy. Now, Dooney & Bourke's navy is Florentine, even their pebble grain, it's really dark. So a lot of times these bags look black, but it's not. This is navy. Navy Florentine is so beautiful. And the zipper tape most of the time is red. Okay. Gorgeous bag. Gorgeous color. And here is the matching Continental clutch. Okay, and y'all see that green suede, and it has 3 snaps. This is how it closes. It snaps. It's not a zipper. All right, so that's my navy one. All right, y'all. And then finally, yep. Here she is in fuchsia. Had to get it. Now, I had posted on my community page when this bag showed back up, and it was also in the color denim. And I didn't get it because I'm like, okay, I'm not adding no more bags. I'm not adding any more bags. Well, let me tell you something. Dooney Girl 75, that girl will make you. She will make you get a bag, okay? She showed this bag on her channel, and I was sitting up there drooling, saying, why didn't I get it? And when she made her video and I'm looking at it and I'm digging on the site, the color was gone. Fuchsia was gone. I was like, you gotta be kidding me. But because we literally stalk those sites, and then we have a little help sometimes from our friends who will say, hey, check it out. It's back in stock. We get a lot of alerts. You can just scrolling down YouTube from the purse community. A lot of people post on their community tabs a bunch of updates about what's in stock, what's out, and the prices. So I'm grateful to you ladies who do that. Okay. So the bag came back and I grabbed it. And I'm so happy because this one, Lord have mercy, she is so soft and gorgeous. Now, someone had posted a video, and I don't know if they knew the Dooney or whatever, talking about they had some pop stitches and some glue on the back. Look, you got to make sure you're happy with your bag. But some of these people don't really understand, and I'm not saying that person didn't, about Florentine. Florentine will scratch. Florentine has a lot of personality. It can be a sensitive leather, but it actually gets better the older it gets and the longer you have. Just wear it. Just wear the bag. Just enjoy it. Okay? Just enjoy your bag. You're going to love it. Trust me. For the price that Dooney charges for all of this luxurious Florentine leather, it cannot be beat by any other brand. I'm not here selling Dooney. I'm not an affiliate. Most of us who watching these Dooney videos, we know why we like Dooney and Bourke, okay? Because the majority of the time, your bags are going to be the quality that you're looking for, that you can't find in other brands, okay? So now I have my beauty in fuchsia, and I already have my gorgeous continental clutch, okay? And I have the coin purse. So if you have not given the Russels a try, I hope you do give it a try. It's a great travel bag. Like I said, we know about the con with the shoulder drop, but that's okay. But it's still a great bag. As of making this video, it's still on the I Love Dooney site, okay? All right, y'all. If you like the video, go ahead and give me a like. And as always, I wish you prosperity and peace in everything you do. Thanks for watching. Isn't she pretty?